So what's going on, guys? In today's video we're gonna be using the most underrated kit for solos in Roblox Bedwars. This kit is actually the archer kit and it's super OP, as you can get an OP crossbow for just 6 emeralds. So I hope you enjoy the video. Marksman makes sense since we're gonna be using tactical crossbow, and Bedwars even buffed it recently, but I think I'm still gonna go for Ember's Anguish since fire is just more OP in my opinion. Pink's just not here, so I guess free iron for me. Pink just spawned, like, well, I already got his bed. Huh? Dude, what? Now he's dead, but he still got a bed. My man just towered up and then just jumped down. Like, what? Okay, I'm just gonna use this to spam him from above. Big brain strat right here, and GG's. Okay, 13 emeralds. We're stacked now. Time to go spend these on like a crossbow and a diamond sword. Dude, my man thinks he can stop me with a bow. Well, I got a tactical crossbow with fire. Okay, this dude's dead now. Okay, dude, he just used the wormhole relic. Man's hiding in the diamond gen, dude. Okay, now he's burning. Okay, just spamming on the block. Like, what's his plan, bro? He thinks he can fight a guy with diamond sword. Anyways, GG's. 2 enchantments at a time sounds OP. Okay, dude, how does my man already have armor, bro? What are with these new relics? I think he got like supercharged generator or something. I have no idea, dude. But yeah, this dude literally already has armor. Okay, just got his bed. And okay, man, he just yeeted himself into the void. We're actually stacked out here, boys. We got a diamond sword and crossbow in like 3 minutes. But like, I think I'm gonna get the double enchants because it sounds pretty cool to me. Okay, pink man right here. What's he trying to do? Okay, now he's gonna like, yeah, I don't know, dude. This crossbow is super OP, dude. And that dude just left the game. I think I'm gonna try the advanced enchantments since, well, 2 enchantments sounds pretty OP to me. Okay, static and volley, pretty cool since we got like the tactical crossbow. So yeah. Okay, this dude's really bow spamming me. Like, I got a tactical crossbow, bro. What are you gonna do? Okay, this dude's dead now. GG's. Okay, this dude, what is he doing? Okay, my aim kinda sucks, but like, what is he even doing, bro? Hiding in the corner? Yeah, my aim is really bad. But yeah, I hope I can knock him off. And okay, man, that didn't work. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna get his bed since I don't really like spawn killing people. It just ruins the game for everyone. And yeah, it's just not a fun experience for everyone. I like to keep the game enjoyable for everyone. So yeah, guess I'm gonna kill him now. This kid actually thinks he can outplay me, dude. Okay, no, bro, you're done. GG's. Okay, dude, you're seriously gonna do that? Just gonna wait for him to die. GG's. I'm gonna be honest, marksman, even after the buff, not really that good. GG's. Man, that was close. Okay, this dude's actually sweating, bro. Like, what is he even doing? He's building like a crooked bridge. Okay, man, this dude. Okay, this dude's rushing me now. Okay, just smacked him. Dude, what was that delayed knockback? Orange just destroyed blue. Now he's coming for me. He got a crossbow, so I'm hiding. And okay, he just missed his crossbow shot. We have a chance. He doesn't have a bed either. And fire kill him. Yes, let's go, dude. Okay, we're stacked once again, boys. Time to get some enchants. Bro, plunder, are you kidding me? Some cyan dude just started attacking me and he fell into the void. So yeah. Okay, my aim really sucks, but like, it's a tactical crossbow, so you're gonna hit some of your shots anyways. Okay, how does this guy have more balloons, dude? Okay, man, this dude should be low by now though. Okay, the plunder actually worked, dude. I've never seen that before, but yeah, we just killed him. Pretty cool. Yo, static, let's go. Got ember and static. There's no way anybody's gonna kill me now. This dude, you're just waiting for it to die. Okay, man, he's just gonna run away, of course. I mean, I'd do that as well if I were you. Okay, he's coming back, bro. Not a good decision, man. Okay, dude, that was like 3 shots, dude. Like, I think the fire also like combines with the static, so it's like super OP now. Just gotta kill the yellow dude. Looks like he has 12 kills, but like, that's not really a big deal. Probably can 3-shot him. Bow fight right here. My man got a crossbow, but I got a tactical crossbow, man. What you gonna do? Okay, I think like the static doesn't really burn him, but like, still, we got fire and static, so that's pretty OP. What happened to his fireball, bro? Okay, that's just too OP, dude. Anyways, GG's. Yo, escape artist. Start the game with 3 balloons. Hold 3 extra balloons. I mean, pretty cool, I guess. We just get it right away. Okay, I'm just gonna use this to go to the other player's base, I guess. Okay, this is probably a bad decision, but like, yeah, I could have saved this for later, but I guess just gonna use it now. Okay, man, this guy realized. Okay, he already popped 2 balloons, dude. Okay, probably shouldn't have used it like that. That was a bad idea. I'm gonna go one tap his bed with. Okay, he just went flying into the void. Yeah, I just one tap my. Okay, what? You just anti-cheated back, bro? What? Okay, probably shouldn't have done that because now he's low and he's gonna die. GG's. Okay, we're heading to mid. Hold up, what? Bro, you gotta chill, dude. What's... Oh my god, dude. I couldn't even jump. Okay, dude, now we gotta cross this bridge again. Hopefully, I don't get anti-cheated again. Okay, dude, let me bridge, dude. What? What? Dude, oh. Okay, man, I'm done. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.